Hi, I'm Steve Dudash, IHT Wealth Management. Welcome to this week's Wealthcast. All right, I want to talk about the question everyone's asking this week, besides the president thing, and that is Tesla. Tesla's had a huge run-up. Don't get me wrong. In the last 12 months, 9 months, whatever, it's had a huge run-up. And a lot of it's justified. They've finally started coming close to making a profit, and they're selling more cars and a little more stability. And I congratulate them. I was very much against them for a long time because they lost a lot of money and their price did get hit when I was very much against them a few years ago. But they've come back and they've proven to be profitable-ish, which is good. However, Monday it was up 20%, on Tuesday it was up another 20%, and on Wednesday it lost 20%. There's no fundamentals to justify any of this. This is 100% emotional, 100%. And the reason being is people just getting ahead of themselves. Yes, there was a lot of very small purchases made by some new apps that are out there. People are buying $500 worth, $1,000 worth, but that didn't justify a 20% run up, let alone a 40% run up. It's the emotion behind it. And I just want to put a little perspective on this. GM, which also sells cars and sells a lot more cars than Tesla, doesn't have the sexy name or brand, but sells a lot more cars, actual product, than Tesla. In America, we sell about 17 million new cars each year. GM would have to sell 12 million of that. So out of all of the cars in the world, or America, 2/3 of them would have to be sold by GM to Americans. Not even remotely realistic that that could ever happen. Tesla would have to sell like 40 times more cars than they're doing right now. It's actually even more than that. To begin to justify an equivalent valuation. And it's because they're pricing it like a tech company. They're acting like this is Amazon, which Amazon is a tech company, a very successful one that makes a lot of money, sells a lot of product. And even Amazon, which a lot of people might think is high priced too, would have to be priced 4 times higher than it is today in order to be the equivalent of what people are saying Tesla's worth. 4 times. Amazon sells a lot of stuff, but we would need like, no one believes that they're going to sell 4 times more in the immediate future. Maybe down the road, but not right now. And no one believes that Tesla's going to sell 40 times more than they're doing right now, let alone being way more profitable along the way. So the point is, don't let your emotions get ahead of you. I'm happy that the company's doing much better. I truly am. And so all the people, Tesla's very polarizing. And I know half the people out there are going to love him and half of them hate him, and the ones who love him are going to think I'm an idiot right now. I'm not against what they're doing, and I'm happy that they are starting to get closer to profits. However, I like math. I like the facts when we're dealing with stuff, and this is a classic example of the emotions just getting away from the reality of what's going on in the world. It should not be valued where it is right now. It may one day sell 2/3 of the cars in the United States. I don't think it's very realistic, but it's being priced as if it does. So just keep that in mind. Hope this helps a little bit, and just be careful. Have a nice weekend, and we will talk next week. Take care.